Wow, now we have one of our esteemed guests joining us here, Mr. Lethlohonolo Mpshe. So thank you so much for such an insightful time today. Please tell us, how was this experience for you and how did you find this event?
It was exciting. It was a pleasure to be here. Truly an honor to be invited to be part of this event, and valuable insight that I got as well from the other speakers. So it was quite awesome to be here.
Wonderful. Interestingly, your name came up with a couple of people that we interviewed. They really enjoyed the case study you gave and how accessible you made these terms and systems and processes for them. Can you tell us about your vision as a leader in terms of just how South Africa can be touched by these advances? And you spoke a lot about how people can invest in themselves and transform themselves to remove the element of fear. Can we hear some of those words on camera, please? Because it seems to have really touched a lot of people.
I'm of the firm belief that self-sufficiency is important. So learning to equip yourself to grow is quite important. So relying or looking into education and learning for yourself, for your future, is quite important. So that's my belief. Lean on what you know and expand with others and collaborate and connect with other people. That is how we grow as a people.
So when it comes to your business, all the groundbreaking work you're doing in the trucking industry and just bringing people closer to technology, what are some groundbreaking things that you think are of interest to an institution like iFundi, and how going forward we could explore relations that could help us bring people even more? You know, we think about people and the fear that they have around technology. You are able to access truck drivers, for instance. That's revolutionary. What are some current conversations or projects that you have that could be interesting to a learning institution like iFundi?
The current events that are happening right now is with regards to the BBBE Charter Council. For the past 7 to 8 years, the BBBE scope within the transport sector has not changed, and the focus is on skills development. So if an iFundi can come into this space to connect with trucking companies to offer what we're discussing today, cybersecurity, data analytics, and so forth, those are the things that we need, because they're not being offered currently within the trucking or logistics space. So an iFundi can come in and collaborate and network with these trucking companies.